Hi friends. Welcome to the Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. This video is on the goat, or sheep, and vermicompost farming. Goat farm. Goat farming is the raising and breeding of all domestic goats. There are some benefits of domestic or commercial goat farming. If you want to start a goat farming business, then you have the benefits of raising goats. Goats are multi-purpose animals that can produce milk, meat, fiber, and skin together. Compared to cow and other livestock farming, goat farming requires less space and additional facilities. They have less demand for housing and other management. In small-scale production, they are also able to share their homes with their owners and his/her other livestock. Production costs like infrastructure, feeding, and treatment are less. You don't have to think about marketing your farm products, because there is already an established market in the country for marketing your products. It is really very easy to maintain a goat farm compared to other farm animals. Sheep farm. The sheep farming business is one of the oldest professions and traditions in most parts of the world. Primarily, sheep farming is mainly carried out for its meat and wool. However, the milk of sheep does not have much demand. Sheep farming is a more profitable business than goat farming, as sheep can attain good weight within a short period of time. Sheep can be raised on a small scale or large scale for commercial purposes. As sheep meat has excellent demand, especially in India, many people are showing interest to start profitable sheep farming. To become a successful sheep farmer, you must have time to dedicate to the farm. Apart from this proper sheep farming business plan, hard work is essential. There are many indigenous sheep breeds, crossbred sheep, and exotic sheep available to raise. However, you must ensure that these sheep are suitable for your local climatic conditions. Agriculture vermicompost. Vermicompost is the product or process of composting using various worms, usually red wigglers, white worms, and other earthworms, to create a heterogeneous mixture of decomposing vegetable or food waste, bedding materials, and vermicast, which are also called worm castings, worm humus, or worm manure. A composting business is easy to establish and the startup costs are minimal. It is best to start it as a side business because the composting process takes 6 to 12 months to complete. Goat or sheep and vermicompost farm together. In this integrated farming design or plan, you have the option to raise goat and vermicompost farming, or sheep and vermicompost farming. Both are profitable livestock farming business ideas. Here, goat or sheep manure fell into the composting area on the ground floor, but with only animal manure, earthworms may not decompose it into fertilizer. You may have to supply additional favorite products for worms. In the end, farm maintenance also matters. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture. Have a nice day.